In this video, I'm going to show you how to basically automate the scripts and the titles for any niche. For example, I'm going to automate right now the scripts and the titles for this niche, for example. So you can do it for any niche. It's the same process for all niches. So what you're going to have to create is a document. You create a document and that's it. Then you're going to make sections. You're going to write video 1, then you're going to write title, and then you're going to write script. And you're going to copy and paste the same thing several times. All right. You copy and paste the same thing several times. I recommend that you duplicate it a total of 7 times. All right. Well, because we're going to need to copy 7 titles. So here you number it all. All right. Up to number 7. You keep putting all the numbers up to number 7 and that's it. Then what you're going to do is go to this website. All right. If you search for this on YouTube, you search for this on Google, you're going to go into this website. And here, the only thing you're going to have to do is go to the reference channel that in my case, I'm doing it for this channel. So the only thing you're going to have to do is copy the link of the 7 most popular videos. All right. You filter here by popular videos and you're going to start with the first video, the most popular one. And you're going to copy the link and you're going to paste it here on this website. All right. So now then you're going to copy the title of the video and you're going to paste it here where it says title. You paste the title and then you do the same thing for the script. You copy the script and you paste it here. This website, you're going to have it, the website to transcribe, you're going to have it right below this video. You're going to have the link to this website. All right. Then you're going to do the same thing for the second video. You copy the link, you paste it here, then you copy the title again, you paste the title here. And then the script you copy and you paste it here. And you keep doing, basically the same thing for all the videos. It's the same process the whole time. Copy the title, paste it, copy the script, and paste it. All right. In my case, I've already finished copying and pasting the 7 titles and the 7 scripts. So now basically the only thing you have to do is export. This document, you're going to export as a text file. All right. You're going to export it as a text file. And now this text file, you're going to go to the private GPT that you're going to have the link to this private GPT below this video. And you're going to upload the text file. All right. Then, you're going to wait for the file to upload. Then you send it. And basically this GPT is going to analyze its knowledge. It's going to analyze its knowledge and it's going to give you the structure and style file. All right. Basically, it's going to give you the structure for the titles. And it's also going to give you the structure for the scripts. All right. And it's going to generate a really detailed file so that, the whole analysis is in this file. All right. So here you can already copy this prompt. All right. You copy this and then you're going to save it with this format. All right. You're going to create a new file. You're going to edit it in Notepad and you're going to paste all the content. All right. You paste all the content that ChatGPT just gave you. And this you're going to save. All right. With this extension. All right. You're going to put this at the end. All right. You're going to put this here so that it gets saved with this extension and the file gets saved correctly. For that, you have to put this file format. Here you put the name you want. You can put the name you want and that's it. So here, all right, you already have the 2 files. The first one, is the structure file. And the second one is the 7 examples of viral titles and scripts. Then the only thing you have to do is go to Claude. And on Claude, the only thing you're going to have to do on Claude is send it these 2 files, the structure file and the text file with the 7 scripts and the 7 viral titles. Then you're going to tell it, create a new script and title. Another thing you can do is take a screenshot of the reference channel that you're trying to copy or that you're drawing inspiration from. You take a screenshot and you also send it to Claude so that it has a visual reference. Then here you can activate extended thinking mode or you can leave it like this. Obviously, you can use Opus, but if you don't have Opus, use another model. Here you can already send this. You can send the prompt and here Claude is going to start analyzing, the file we just sent it to analyze the whole structure and the whole style. And it's also going to analyze the 7 viral titles and the 7 viral scripts. And here, it's already starting to create the title of the video and the script, as you can see. And that's it. Basically, that's how, the scripts are created and that's it. Honestly, you don't have to do anything else. That's basically how you can create the titles and the scripts for any niche.